Hey dolls and gents, today we are doing a hair transformation video. I am showing you how I applied this wig today, and I created this wig using hair extensions from Diamond Virgin Hair. If you've been following my YouTube channel for a few years now, then you know that I've reviewed Diamond Virgin Hair in the past. I have rocked their Mink line. This is their Brazilian Mink wavy hair, and I am obsessed. I went ahead and pressed the hair out and straightened the hair, and do y'all see this? Like, oh my gosh. Do you see the texture of this hair? It's just really luxurious. It's thick. It has weight to it. It just feels so good. Like, when I think of their Mink line, I think of just luxurious, beautiful hair extensions. So I show you how I applied my wig. I show you how I did the baby hairs, how I laid this frontal down with a pressing comb. Yes, I've seen a few people using pressing combs on their full lace wigs, and I'm like, you know what? Let me see what this is all about. I haven't used one of these babies since I was in middle school when I used to press my natural hair. Well, I wouldn't personally press my natural hair. My mom would do it, or I would get it done at the hair salon. But let me tell you, a pressing comb will completely change your hair game. Do y'all see how laid this frontal is? It's because of that freaking pressing comb. I don't have any tape, adhesive, got to be glue on. All I have on is an elastic band, and this hair right here, oh my gosh. I'm so happy to be rocking Diamond Virgin Hair again because I forgot how bomb their hair extensions are. Like, all I can do is look in the mirror, feel this hair because it feels so freaking soft. And this is actually the first time I straightened this texture. I've wore it in its natural wavy state, and I've also curled the hair. I was gonna curl the hair today, and I'm like, you know what? I've been curling hair a lot. Let me go ahead and press this hair out and see how it looks. And I'm so happy that I pressed this hair and straightened it out because it's just beautiful. I mean, it still looks really full straight, and when it's curled, it's even more full. As far as tangling, I've had no tangling with this hair. As far as shedding, I have had minimal shedding. This is the hair without any added serums, oils, or anything. So this is the natural sheen of the hair. It has a very natural sheen. I did add a bit of hairspray to my parting just to tame the flyaways on my frontal, but other than that, I didn't use any hair products. Oh, and I used a little bit of edge control, but that's not on the actual hair. That's just on the baby hairs right here. If you all are interested in checking out these hair extensions from Diamond Virgin Hair, I will have a link down below in the description box for you guys. I am rocking 4 bundles plus a frontal. I am rocking, I believe, 28, 26, 24, 22, and I'm not sure of the inch of my frontal. I believe it's maybe 16 inches, but I will leave that information in the description box down below for you guys. So I feel like I've been talking forever. If you want to see how I slayed this wig today, then you already know what to do. Stay tuned, guys. All right, y'all, let's get into this hair slay. I'm first going to apply my wig, and I do use the elastic band method. So I'm not going to be applying my wig today with any tape, glue, adhesive, anything other than the elastic band. So now I'm trying to figure out whether I want to do a side parting, which is what I normally do, but I actually ended up going with a middle parting, which you will see in just a moment. But can we talk about how natural the parting is on this unit? As you can see, I'm just wearing a wig cap underneath. I didn't apply any foundation or concealer to it, and it looks pretty freaking good. I love the parting space on this frontal. It's really nice. I did go in and bleach my notch, which is why you are seeing a very natural parting. But the frontal from Diamond Hair Company is the bomb. So now I am going in and I'm just blow drying the hair just like a little bit straight. I still want the hair to have texture, but I want to make sure that I blow dry the hair because it was a little bit damp. I want to wear the hair straight today. As you can see, the natural texture of this hair is a slight wave, but you can straighten it, you can curl it, You can wear it in its natural state. You can pretty much do whatever you want with this hair, but I'm going to blow dry it because I'm going to lay it with a pressing comb, and then I'm going to go in with a flat iron. Once I get this hair blow dried, I'll be right back with y'all. So I definitely went in with the blow dryer, so I had to go ahead and redo my middle parting. So I'm just getting that together right now. Y'all know how hard it is to get that perfect straight part. So I'm getting that together. I know it's taking me a little bit. Okay, we finally got it. No, not yet. Okay, are you done yet, girl? No. Okay, now we're done. All right, now I'm going in with my pressing comb, and I'm first like focusing on the parting area just to make sure that is flat. Like the pressing comb is major key for getting that parting area super flat, which allows your parting to look as natural as possible and not like super bulky up there. So I love using the opposite side of the pressing comb just to go in and make that as flat as possible. I am also going through the hair, and I'm going to first straighten it with the pressing comb, and then I'm going to go in with a flat iron, which makes it like super like silky, yet still has a bomb texture. So I am absolutely loving the whole pressing comb thing. I don't know why I never thought to use a pressing comb on my wigs before. I don't know. I just think about using it with natural hair, but it works so bomb on like virgin hair. Just make sure you don't use this on any hair that has any synthetic fibers, because honey, if you do, that junk will melt. So make sure that you have authentic virgin hair and you'll be good to go. So I know I'm doing a bunch of extra steps, but this is how I get like my wavy and curly hair extensions to stay straight. So I first like to press the hair, and then I like to go in with a flat iron, and this flat iron is so bomb. This one is from Vanity Planet. I will link it down below for you guys. But you see how quickly it gets the hair like super straight? Like the pressing comb and the blow dryer did most of the work, and the straightener just made it like extra. Yeah, I love this flat iron. And this hair, it just looks so nice and silky. Do y'all see that? But it still has like a beautiful texture to it. I love this hair. So now it's time to lay the baby hairs on this unit, and I am going in and just pulling out the baby hairs that I already created. I am going to go in and just cut them just a little bit more. I like using an eyebrow razor for this. It's perfect. And I'm going in with edge control. Now I did not adhere my wig down. As you can see, this step kind of locks my wig in place for the day, because the edge control kind of acts as like a sticky force between the wig and my forehead. I hope that makes sense. If you've done this before, you know exactly what I mean. So I didn't have to use any tape or adhesive, but it looks really nice. If you don't like baby hairs, then you can choose to not do baby hairs. You don't have to do baby hairs. I just like the way it looks. So here you can see a side-by-side of baby hairs, no baby hairs. I personally like the baby hairs because I didn't adhere my wig down, so it helps it look a little bit more natural. So the last and final step is applying hairspray to my parting area just to make sure those little flyaway hairs on the frontal stay down and laid for the rest of the day. You can use mousse here, but if you have a wavy or curly texture, it might cause the texture to revert. So just use hairspray. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you want to see more hair slay transformation videos, then definitely give this a big thumbs up, and I will catch you all in my next video. By the way, if you have not already watched the makeup tutorial for this look, be sure to click the link right here and it will take you straight to the tutorial.